what's up, guys?
What's up?
Hey guys, have you seen what's going on in the news?
The what about the cat that plays the piano?
No, about the sustainable development.
And what's that?
Oh, sustainable development is to have solutions so that the future generations have the same sources that we have today. It's about having a responsible use of natural resources.
So it means use our present resources correctly so the next generation can use the same ones.
Exactly.
Yeah, I heard my parent talk with his partners about that in the job. They say that the environment has been damaged by also the humans because we are using the resources fast and we don't let them to get well or regenerate.
And why am I supposed to care about it? I mean, it isn't affecting me in any way.
Yes, it is. It affects all the countries in the world because each one has its own sustainable development.
Here in Mexico, for example, we don't have a huge problem of pollution in comparison to other cities. For example, in South Asia, there are cities that are the ones considered most polluted. For example, it is some of the cities is Raipur, Delhi, Patna, which are in India.
After all, it's our world that we are talking about. So the problem is that many countries ignore the importance of preserve the natural resources.
Also, the third human right is being violated. It says everybody has the right to freedom, liberty, and security.
Yeah, that's sad, but it is true. Also in the news, they say that people like politics, industrial, scientists, and economists have been united because of this problem of overexploitation of resources, so that they can analyze the problem they have caused in society and how they can protect the planet.
Oh, now I remember that in 1980, all this information of taking into account the environment was shown to the public. They showed the ozone layer, the greenhouse effect, the acid rain, so people can create conscience to help the environment here.
But nowadays, industries do not care about the environment and they decrease biodiversity.
Most of the industries do not take care of the planet, and that's why government needs to put limits and measurements to protect all the natural resources and, for example, maintaining and help all habitats of the species. And citizens also need to control the consumption of energy and resources and decrease all the wastes and the trash that is being accumulated.
We have to do something, but first think about it. Nowadays, we are destroying our planet. We don't even have to take care about future generations. We, us ourselves, are finishing our resources like oil and minerals and gas. Water is being polluted in threatening quantities. We have to do something with the industries that overexploit our natural resources. We have to avoid polluting our waters and taking away exasperating quantities of minerals, killing animals unnecessarily, fishing tons of extra fish and animals from the sea.
So what we can do about it?
Sometimes we think that there are things that we can do, but what we can do, there are some little measurements, can be like turning off lights when we don't use them, saving water when we take a shower and when we wash our hands, separate trash, and dropping batteries not like anywhere but in the proper place. And if we talk about sustainable development, that is something more complex, we can do things like buying solar panels to our houses, reduce the use of cars and public transport, and also we can change our light bulbs, so the ones that save energy.
It is good to know that we teenagers can do something for our environment and our planet.
Hey, have you seen this video?
Oh, what?